If you are enjoying the weird weather that's battering the country, wait till next year. If you want to eliminate it, watch this video.
I'm Bob Size, president of HySolGenics Incorporated. This is the hydrogen generator demonstrator that we built to demonstrate the fact that you can make hydrogen from just solar energy and water. Here we have the solar array, which generates the electricity for the unit, and this is the unit itself. Water, this is the main water tank that holds the water, and that water then is taken into the electrolyzer, and where you divide the water into hydrogen and oxygen. Once the gases are separated in the electrolyzer, they then are sent into these two units, which are the separators, the hydrogen separator here and the oxygen separator on this side. Those then, from that point, the gases go up into the system into what's called the symmetry valve. The symmetry valve separates the hydrogen and oxygen pressures and maintains a pressure equalization in the system. Notice that the pressure in both sides of this system are equal at the same time. This come out of the symmetry valve. The hydrogen gas comes out, goes into the double bubbler. The double bubbler separates the electrolyte from the hydrogen gas at that point. In the double bubbler here, you'll see that the hydrogen gases are coming up here in the bubble form. The ball is sinking because of the fact that the hydrogen is actually coming up to the ball itself. The gas then travels over to this unit, which is the recombiner, which removes oxygen, any residual oxygen in the hydrogen, and then to the desiccator, which dries it out. The hydrogen at that point goes to the filler hose, which we will later connect to the tank. At that point also, the oxygen is sent here into this line and is vented overboard to atmosphere at a safe distance. Once the gases are sent to the hydrogen hose here, the hydrogen filler hose, the hose then can be connected to this tank where we will be able to pressurize the tank. Okay. At this point, we will connect the hydrogen filler hose to the tank, and we will gradually pressurize the tank, and it will come up to pressure. Hydrogen is being transferred into the tank at this point. At this point, the electrolyzer is providing pressure to this tank, and we will allow the tank to reach pressure by using the electrolyzer to pressurize the system. This is the regulator that you can regulate the gas pressure so that you can use it on fuel cells, hydrogen barbecues, or any other things that you may need to use hydrogen on. The demonstration here is we're going to show that this is actually pure hydrogen. We have a hydrogen sensor, hydrogen alarm here. It will only be activated when it gets real hydrogen to it. We'll then insert this unit in here. That sound is hydrogen. I'm Bob Size, president of HySolGenics Incorporated. This is HySolGenics' hydrogen demonstration electrolyzer, which will result in a product which is portable, affordable, and is ready for on-site hydrogen production. This product will be available by 2012.
Reduce fuel costs. Make your own hydrogen fuel. HySolGenics.